Hi everyone, and welcome back to Ultech Engineering's channel. We're so glad you could join us today. If you're new here, this is where we share insights into the engineering projects that power industries and communities across Malaysia. In this video, we'll take you behind the scenes of one of our latest milestones with PETRONAS Gas Berhad at the Segamat Compressor Station, where our team worked on upgrading the auxiliary power unit gas engine generator control panel. But before we dive into the details of the project, let's take a step back and understand what an auxiliary power unit gas engine generator actually is, and why it plays such a critical role in keeping operations running smoothly. Have you ever wondered what keeps a massive industrial facility running when the main power suddenly cuts out? At PETRONAS Gas Berhad's Segamat Compressor Station, the answer lies in something powerful, yet often overlooked: the auxiliary power unit gas engine generator. And today we're taking you behind the scenes of Ultech Engineering's project recap to see how an upgrade brought both purpose and reliability to the station. So, what is an auxiliary power unit gas engine generator? Think of the auxiliary power unit gas engine generator as a backup heart for the station. A self-contained system that kicks in whenever the main power source, in this case Tenaga Nasional Berhad or TNB, goes down. It runs on a gas-powered engine that generates electricity, ensuring that even if the grid fails, the compressor station doesn't stop operating. And in critical facilities like Segamat, downtime isn't just inconvenient. It can disrupt energy flow on a national scale. That's why this auxiliary unit is so vital. This project was commissioned under PETRONAS Gas Berhad's Gas Transportation and Regasification GTR Division, right here at the Segamat Compressor Station, or PGB Segamat for short. Led by our senior electrical engineer, Christina Jamat, the mission was clear: upgrade the aging generator control panel to the latest technology so that the auxiliary power system could continue delivering seamless operations for years to come. The project was commissioned and successfully completed in 2024, marking another milestone for both PGB and Ultech Engineering. So, what exactly was the goal? The objective was to upgrade the control panel to the latest technology, giving Segamat Compressor Station an auxiliary power source that would automatically respond to TNB outages. This way, critical systems stay online, operations remain uninterrupted, and the facility avoids costly downtime. In short, it was all about strengthening resilience and reliability. Now let's talk tech. At the heart of this project were several key components. Gas engine generators, the powerhouse that actually produces electricity. Generator control panel, or GCP. Think of this as the brain. It detects when TNB power goes out, automatically starts the generator, transfers the load, and then switches back once power is restored. It also handles protection by monitoring for faults, and real-time monitoring, making sure everything is running safely. On top of that, we integrated the DEIF AGC 150 controller, an Allen-Bradley PLC for flexible sensor monitoring and communication with the DCS room via Modbus, and a DEIF MVRG 215 relay for extra protection. Together, this forms a highly reliable, smart, and redundant system. Before this upgrade, the old generator control panel was aged and outdated. It simply wasn't capable of providing the same level of reliability or safety as today's modern systems. The use case here is straightforward but critical, ensuring uninterrupted power whenever TNB experiences an outage. Without it, key equipment at the station would risk shutting down, which is why upgrading was not optional, but essential. The solution that Ultech Engineering proposed, and was accepted, was a combination of robust, proven technologies. The DEIF AGC 150 became the core controller, supported by the Allen-Bradley PLC for additional monitoring and seamless communication. The DEIF MVRG 215 provided a dedicated, independent protection layer, ensuring safety at all times. Each product was carefully selected for integration, reliability, and redundancy. 3 things you never want to compromise on when it comes to critical energy infrastructure. If you're enjoying this breakdown so far, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way, you'll never miss a deep dive like this from Ultech Engineering. Of course, no project is without its challenges. During installation, the panel's cable entrance didn't quite match up with the new setup. To fix this, modifications were made and a gasket was added to properly fit the cables without causing damage. Thanks to detailed inspection and consultation with reliable suppliers, the challenge was quickly resolved, showing how careful planning and teamwork always pay off. Client feedback played a big role throughout the process. During factory acceptance testing, PETRONAS Gas Berhad focused on confirming all the genset set points for sensors. This step ensured the generator would operate safely and exactly as intended once installed. Then came the site acceptance testing, where the client gave a punch list of feedback. 2 main changes were requested: a modification to the human-machine interface design and a redesign of the back door panel to allow better access for the load bank cable. These adjustments were implemented to fully meet client needs. By the way, if you'd like to read the full article version of this project recap, the link is available down in the description. Go check it out for more technical insights and detailed write-ups. So what does all this mean for PETRONAS Gas Berhad? The upgraded system now provides enhanced reliability and uptime with a dependable auxiliary power source, improved safety with a dedicated protection relay, better efficiency through advanced monitoring and control. In essence, the Segamat Compressor Station can now operate with greater confidence, knowing that even in the face of a TNB outage, its critical systems won't skip a beat. Of course, technology is only as strong as the people who operate it. That's why Ultech Engineering provided comprehensive training during handover, including formal training sessions, detailed operation and maintenance manuals, and ongoing support. This ensured that the client's team was fully equipped to run and maintain the system long after the project wrapped up. And speaking of support, Ultech's commitment doesn't stop at handover. Post-commissioning, we've continued to provide remote support when needed. In fact, thanks to the reliability of the new system, no on-site interventions have been necessary so far, a sign of just how well the upgrade was executed. If you find value in seeing how projects like this come together, don't forget to like this video. It really helps us reach more people and share more of Ultech Engineering's work. At the end of the day, this project at PGB Segamat wasn't just about upgrading technology. It was about ensuring continuity, safety, and purpose in operations that millions of people indirectly rely on. Ultech Engineering is proud to have played a role in strengthening PETRONAS Gas Berhad's infrastructure. With the auxiliary power unit gas engine generator upgrade complete, the Segamat Compressor Station is more resilient than ever, ready to power forward no matter what challenges come its way. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this project recap and want to see more engineering insights, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and check out our other videos. Until next time, this is Ultech Engineering, powering progress with purpose.